Oh my goodness. Your porridge tastes better than my porridge, man. That's not fair. My porridge was bland. What you put in it for you?
Why my porridge tastes different from yours?
Well, they can't handle the condensed milk. So I got the bland almond milk. I forgot Dr. Man. Oh my God, this tastes good. It's plantain porridge, you know.
So tell them what and what in it.
What you put in there, wifey? Plantain, green plantain.
It's green plantain,
and
oats,
cornmeal. Oh wow, all of that?
oats, and cornmeal.
Oh wow, make a little more now. Feel one did better than mine.
So I fear giving it to him because I know in a few minutes. You see here showing off with the big old empty bowl. We're gonna have some issues when he's done.
You mean with allergy?
Uh-huh.
I'm willing to pay the price. Make a little more.
Okay, I'm not able to do it at the same time,
Let me
but
eat
just
some.
you want to eat some. So let me do my best. To
You want to have a condensed milk?
hold on, man, hold on.
Oh my goodness, yours is better than mine. That's not fair.
And he had a good bowl serving, you know.
The second one is none. What's the porridge taste, man? You filming me?
Yes.
Oh no! Bye!